You want to get rid of all the inflammation in your body, you need to drink this juice. Before I found this recipe, I was taking 800 to 1600 milligrams of Motrin just to find some sort of relief. But now instead of killing your body with all those over-the-counter pain medicines, you get to use nature's pain medicines to help do your body good. Let's get the recipe. Pineapple, cucumber, got a handful of spinach, green apple, 1 whole lemon. Go ahead and put the leafy greens right in your juicer. Cucumber's already been rinsed, so I'm gonna just cut it in half. Save the other half for another recipe. Put this half right in the juicer. Go ahead and peel this lemon. You done with that, put the whole thing in. Go ahead and core your apple, drop it in. Last thing, let's get this pineapple cut. Half of the pineapple goes in the juice. Now you know what to do. Close the lid, turn it on. All done. If you got serious inflammation, you might need to drink this 2 to 3 times a day just so you can find the relief that you need. But it's so much better to put natural in your body as opposed to over the counter that's killing our livers. Here's to your health. Bruh, and it tastes good. You can't even beat that.